Welcome everyone, and today we're going to talk about powering your GPUs for mining, RISERS, and all that junk. And I realized something that people are doing wrong, and a lot of fires, a lot of people are burning down their rigs, and it could be a very huge fire hazard. Was that Micro Center picked up an extra riser, and look at the connection it had in it. It is a SATA, if you guys can see it. But anyways, I have two other ones here that I'm going to show you. I wanted to test out this 1070 Ti to extend it off of a Dell workstation. And this is the connection it came with, which is a SATA hard drive power. Now these can only power around 50 to 54 watts, and technically you're supposed to have two to power a 6-pin. Now since these are made in China, they don't really care. So on the RISERS, they give you one SATA cable to a 6-pin, and they tell you to install it like that. And obviously you should put some power to your GPU, obviously. Hope you guys know that. And then, the USB cable goes here, then it goes to a PCI extender on the board. Now, I did that using the SATA. I should have actually realized that was a mistake, but as soon as I tried to read it on the Dell workstation, it would crash. And I'm like, what's going on here? And then I remembered something, that this does not have a lot of power coming through it. SATA, see, SATA power, not ideal. And there's a lot of hacks that people say to use SATA power to power up GPUs and Mac Pros and everything. Big mistake. So don't do that, because you're going to burn down your house and your GPUs and might kill somebody. Now the proper way is, this is a 3080. This came out of a gaming rig. I got a 3090, so obviously we are taking it out. And we're going to mine some Ravencoin with it. But first, show you guys how to power it up. And these are, these are the latest RISERS. And you can power them up with 3 ways. There's one more 6-pin here as well. Another Molex. Here it is. But just use a standard power supply cable from your power supply. And if you're trying to do like 3 or 4 GPUs on top of the ones that are in your board, get a spare PSU so you can fit everything and power everything like this. Do not power everything with SATA just because the stores are closed and you can't go out. Once you plug it in, and it goes. There's a little clip there. Nice and secure. And that is the proper way to power up a riser. And this side goes into the PSU, obviously. It's an 8-pin. And that is the proper way. Do not use these stupid SATA cables that come with these risers. I can't believe they come with them. This is such a danger. And I have a feeling that the people that are making these in China know that, but they still include them just so you can burn down your rig. It's not safe. But let me know if you guys are mining anything or if you have any questions. But that's just a little safety, so you guys know. Let me know what you think. Comment, subscribe, like, share it on Reddit, etc. And I'll see you next time.